Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful journal in Canva that you can sell online, whether on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or your own website. This is a simple step-by-step process that even beginners can follow to turn creativity into income. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Canva on your computer or mobile app. Once you're on the home page, head to the search bar at the top and type journal. Press enter and you'll be greeted with hundreds of ready-made journal templates designed for all kinds of purposes: daily planners, gratitude journals, self-care logs, and more. Take a moment to browse through the collection and choose a style that matches the theme or mood you're aiming for. You'll find everything from clean, minimalist designs to colorful, artistic layouts. When you find a template you love, click on it, then select Customize this template. Now you're in the Canva editor. The fun part begins. Here, you can completely personalize your journal using Canva's simple drag and drop tools. Change the background colors, adjust layouts, swap out images, and add decorative elements like lines, icons, or illustrations. You can even upload your own artwork or patterns to make it stand out from other journals on the market. Next, let's focus on text and typography. Highlight any text box to edit it. Update titles, headers, or page prompts. Think about what type of journal you're creating. For example, add daily prompts, affirmations, or quote sections to make it interactive and meaningful for users. Choose fonts that match your overall aesthetic: modern and clean for productivity journals or elegant and cursive for mindfulness ones. Consistency is key, so keep your colors, fonts, and spacing uniform across every page. As you work, keep previewing your design to make sure it flows smoothly and looks balanced as a complete product. Once you're happy with how your journal looks, it's time to export it. Click on the download button at the top right corner. If you plan to print or upload it to KDP, choose PDF print for the best quality. Make sure your resolution is set high to ensure crisp, professional looking pages. And that's it. Your journal is ready to sell. With Canva, you can easily create stunning journals that reflect your creativity and style, all without needing any advanced design skills. Whether you're making a gratitude journal, planner, or wellness tracker, Canva gives you everything you need to bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching and happy journaling.